listen, okay? Okay, it's recorded. Great. Now, the step number one is confirm is downtrend, is moving down. This high is not higher than that. So I'm going to take very clear. I'm going to take the top here, and I'm going to go all the way down to touch the bottom, and I'm going to convert this to black. And what I'm doing now, I'm doing the 7-step strategy. I don't compromise 7-step strategy. I'm just making sure that strategy stay close to me. And I'm going to draw my macro trend line, which is here. We're just going to make sure that this guy at the moment is here. And possible, this guy is a possibility we drop here. Let's see. So he stopped here. Okay. Now I'm going to go to daily chart. I'm going to zoom it 2 times. And I'm going to take on this pair. So there's one here, one here. So I'm going to take the low. These are the lows I'm taking. Okay, this is the low. Okay, and this is going to be brown and dotted. Okay, so we have one low, two low, and we have the third low, and it's a breakdown. Okay, huge breakdown. It's gone down. And then I'm going to shift this guy to here now because this was the last low before you break down another round. So this is the situation now on a daily chart. And I'm going to take the last high here. And I'm also going to take another one. I'm going to take this high and the last high. Okay, I'm going to take this high, last high, and I'm going to make sure. Let me see why you stopped here. Stopped here because of this. Okay, all right. This is so I'm going to put FIBO within the FIBO. The price broke 61.8 and heading to second later. Let me just check. So I'm going to put the top here to here. It's going to be 50 equilibrium. Okay, so this is going to be rate. And I just got to make sure this is very important. The price is so important. So that's why I just got to make sure that it's correctly done. Let me just make it zoom a little bit more so you can see better. Okay, good. So now I'm just making sure. Let me just get this guy right. I want this guy to see properly on the Fibonacci. Excellent. Okay, looks good. I don't need this anymore because the line is disturbing me. Okay, so I have a very nice pattern here. Let me just zoom it so you can see better. This is how it looks like. So we have a trend, an upward trend, and there was a nice breakdown, broke down, and not settling down. So this is step number 3. Step number 4, I just want to make sure I put one more moving average 200 to see where it is. So it's here, went up, down, but it broke here. Whether it pull back to the moving average, we do not know. But based on what the situation is, looks like the Canadian going to have a good retracement back to 133, 134. But let's see. So I'm going to put my RSI to find out whether it's oversold. Excellent. It's moving to the oversold location, and the opportunity for a buy is coming very, very soon. So let's now going to put in the Bollinger Band for. I'm going to put Bollinger Band 3, and I'm going to put a Bollinger Band 2. Tonight I'm going to do some live trades, okay? So this is how it looks like. Let me be a little bit bigger more, and you can see better. This is how it looks like. So at the moment, it's taking a deviation to oversold. Possibly go down, but looks like this trend is quite strong. Okay, so if it goes down, I'll buy again. So what I'm going to do now, so it's hit already at 38.2, sit out exactly on 38.2. Possibly will move back to equilibrium and then move a little bit upwards, I think. But you need to know that the Canadian potential to go down to 126.50 is very, very high. at this stage. Okay, and the Federal Reserve decided not to increase rate, so this oversold position is like right. And also this. So let me see whether my next one go for ATR. So before that, any question up to this stage? Anyone? Any question for this stage? Anybody got any question up to this stage before I move on? No? Okay, good. If you don't have question, then we move forward. So this is how it looks like. No, okay, good. So now what I'm going to do is to prepare for the trade. So I'm going to put a buy limit, okay, buy limit because it's oversold now. So this is daily chart, and I'm going to do a buy limit. No, it's in fact I do a buy stop. Let me just check. Let's go to H4 and check how it is. H4 should be oversold. There you go. Very nice pattern. Oversold on deviation 3 on H4, but I still stick to daily chart. I prefer daily chart because it's the longer the what do you call time frame, the safer it is. So I'm going to do a manual trade. Okay, manual trade. Before that, I want to check my ATR. Average to range. Let me just check on a daily chart is 126. 126 here, not bad. Okay, 126 points. So I'm going to take on this Canadian dollar. I'm going to do a buy limit. Okay, buy limit. This manual order, remember. I'll do a buy limit again. This will be a green. I'm going to do a buy limit here, exactly on 38.2, which is 129.50. Or I'm going to do a buy stop on here. Okay, 131. Okay, 131. So it's going to be a buy stop on 131.44.2 or a buy limit at 1.2947. Okay, buy stop at 131.42 and a buy limit at 129.49. Is everyone with me? Either you can do a buy stop by I'm going to do two orders at the same time. I'm going to prepare my order for 1.2949. Once again tonight I think might go down. But I'm going to do that. Either way, if it comes down touch at the 129.49, or I may do a buy stop at 131.44. Is everyone clear? Okay, good, excellent. So this is what I'm going to do. So, however, if you want to do intruder trade, it's easier. Intruder trade be much easier. For those who don't know intruder, you can stick to the single order. If you want to do intruder, then you can go down to the expert here. Yeah. So you should have this intruder 20160.303. You should have this. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop. Are we are following? Let me close begin. Can I start with the intruder trader? Can I start with the intruder trader? Okay, so okay, good. We are going to start intruder trader. Now those who can do pending order, remember you can take pending order. You can take 1.2949 on a buy limit, or you can take 131.44 on a buy stop. Your TP should be 126 points. Okay, sorry, 126 pip or 1,260 points. You understand? I'm going to show you in a short while. So in other words, your TP will be 129 pips for the buy limit or the buy stop. You should get it straight very easily. Okay. Now let's go into the intruder. Okay, so intruder I'm going to put dollar Canadian dot. I'm going to put oversold position. Oversold because it's oversold here. Deviation 220 change at 0.01 lot. My stop, I'm not doing stop loss. I'm going to put 1260 as my points for target profit, and this will be false. Okay, and this will be Thursday night trade. Okay, any questions up to this stage? So I'm going to put dollar Canadian, overbought, oversold location, then period number 2, 25, lot size 0.01, and then stop loss I'm not going to put. I'm going to put 1260. If you want to put stop loss, you can put 50% of the profit zone, okay? Be all right. If you do stop loss, the rest remains status quo. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to look at it, and then there's 2 minutes to look at it, and then I will continue with another pair, all right? Okay, I'll continue with here. Please do your necessary, and then I will start in 2 minutes. Okay, we have a question. The question was why no stop loss? Okay, it's a strategy. We are using a strategy, which is going to be using dollar cost technique. But you can put a stop loss, Zali, by putting 50% of the take profit. Okay, that means 120 divided by 2. That will be a stop loss price. Okay, if you want to do stop loss. Okay, there's nothing. That's what we usually do. So it is what we call risk and reward. So it's 2:1. Um, but if you are doing money management, then there's no requirement. Okay, one that is done, press OK, and there you go. My what do you call? Oh, see, oh my thing not registered. I can't believe this. Okay, I will go get myself registered. Okay, is everybody done? Everyone done it? Everyone done? Before I go to the other pair, everyone completed? Okay, if everyone completed, good. I'm going to go to next pair, which is going to be dollar yen. It's going to be dollar yen. So remember, guys, I'm doing both. I'm doing both a manual trading and an intruder. Okay, so you can follow. I'm doing a buy limit and a buy stop. My TP will be 1,260, which is 326 pip based on one ATR. That's it. Nothing complicated. Okay, nothing complicated. That'll be all fine. Okay, so now I'm going to the next pair. I'm going to take on what you call dollar yen, which is requested by the student. So this is dollar yen. All right, this is the dollar yen position. Before I go to dollar yen, anyone got any other question before I go to dollar yen? Dollar yen never been a better time to trade on it, to take on. It looks nice. Anyone got any question on dollar yen? I mean, any questions first before I go to dollar yen? If no question, I'm going to go to dollar yen. I'm going to click the top there. I'm going to draw it down. I want to buy a dollar yen. I think it looks good to buy. Okay, this should be black. All right, and this looks good. So we have established the top and low. I want to establish my trend line, which is going to be here. This is going to be a trend line. This is going to be black, and it's going to be straight lines. And I'm going to take on this guy. Let's see where in the world this guy goes. So he's going to be here, first one, and now the price has gone down low. Unbelievable. The yen has gone down so low. Okay, that's a triple bottom because of this. Okay, because of this. This one here looks nice. And then I'm going to go to the daily chart. Okay, I'm going to go to step number 3, and I'm going to click on huge fall, huh? Very huge fall, and sitting down on the equilibrium. If the break is going to be massive, let's say the moving average 200, when the world it is. Okay, you went down touch, and then you break down exactly at 200, move 200 on a daily chart. And let's draw some trend lines. So the trend line looks like this. I'm going to take one here. is going to be dotted line and it's going to be brown. Okay, like this, and we have this very strong downtrend, extremely strong. And then, yeah, the price is one, two, three times in a row. The yen has been sitting down. If it breaks, then hell break loose. The yen will go right down to the bottom. So be cautious on the yen because the interventions are around the corner, and looks like Japanese Kuroda may just come in and step in if the yen get any stronger. It's not doing any good to the stock exchange of Nikkei, which is Tokyo. Okay, so I'm gonna put the Fibo within the Fibo. Now you broke this line. You haven't touched this line yet, so I'm gonna still stick on to the up movement in case you move. I want to find out where the resistance is. So this is my resistance. All right, let me just make sure that everything sits properly. So I have here, okay, one here, and I have my down here. Good. So I have already done. Looks good. So I have my Fibo within a Fibo, and the trend is done. So this is one, two, three, triple bottom. Whether pullback or not, we don't know. But let's see what's going to. Because now yen is sitting down as a safe haven. That's the problem. Yen. Everyone are buying yen because they don't feel the market is safe after the announcement by Fed that they will not increase rate due to global slowdown, etc., etc. Okay. So now, so I'm going to put the next step. I'm going to put in my what do you call Bollinger Japan RSI to see where in the world it is. It's going down to oversold position. So now we go one time here, another one here, one more. So still a little bit more go. Let's wait for a while before I take the action. Let's put in the I don't need this guy anymore. So I'm going to put in the Bollinger Band number 4, and I'm going to put number 3 into it. Number 3, which is red, and Bollinger Band number 2, which is green. Okay, so we can see that's an overbought position, oversold position, sorry. And you can see every time it's oversold, nice pullback. We were talking about approximately from here to here is approximately about 2,200 pips. So I'm expecting this guy 1, 2, 3, 4 and pullback. If any breakdown, it's going to go down. So I will do a buy and then hold on for a while. Okay, so let's do a buy. I'm going to take this guy, this low here. Okay, I'm going to take this low here, right, as my buy position, which is 111. Okay, I'm going to buy exactly if the yen comes down, touch it one more time. I'm going to do a buy. Okay, on a buy limit. Okay, buy limit. So the price for buy limit is going to be here. Okay, buy limit is going to be here. And then I'm also going to put a buy stop, which is going to be, my buy stop is going to be this price here, the last low. So I'm going to buy the price here, and this price here. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do a buy limit at 111.053 and a buy stop at 112.244. Please take down the number, please. This is the buy stop. This is the buy limit. This is manual trade. Step number 5. I'll look at my ATR. My ATR is 1019. That means 1019 points because this is a yen pair. So it gives you 4 number. Okay, 4 number. So it's 1019. You just add a 0. Okay, that means 10,100 pips. So we're going to take on this guy. Okay, remember, it's 1019 points. Okay. Now, so we're going to take on this guy with the intruder. But first, the TP will be 1019 points. If you do pips, will be 1019 is pips. 10190 is points. It's 5 digits. Okay. You understand? Everyone got it? Okay. So let me go back again. ATR. So you can see it's a 1019. This is point. So just add another zero at the back if you're doing the intruder. As for the if you're doing a manual trade, just put a TP 1019. That's it, and that's good enough. Okay. All right. If no question, let me go into the next stage. Now, those are intruder. You can use the intruder. Drag and drop. So you're gonna put dollar yen, JPY, dot, and I'm gonna put oversold. I'm gonna stick down to deviation 2. Move it don't change. This one will change. Top one will change. I'm gonna put 10190. Okay, and this is points. 10190 will be points. This will be false. Okay, that's it. So it's gonna be intruder Thursday webinar. Okay, that's all you need to do. Okay, anybody any questions? Anybody any question can ask me now. Good to buy. 1, 2, 3. Nice buy. If a mistake, it's okay. You should have a good pullback. They should have pullback. If come down here, it's a nice pullback upward. So if you make a mistake here, we can recover later. Okay. 0.01 10190 for TP. Any question, anybody? Anyone got any questions? Okay. If no questions, that sounds good. Now that's for the yen pair, okay? Dollar yen and the dollar Canadian. Okay, we have some questions. Let me see. All right, so it's good. Now, as I said, the trading is going to get easier and easier as we go to the market. I just want to cover one more point. Now, let's say if I were to take another pair, just take an assumption another pair. Let's say I'm taking, let's say I want to take, let's say I would take, let's say I take Euro USD, okay, and I want to put in the Bollinger Band. This is what I do in shortcut. Okay, so on shortcut, I'm going to do, so you can see here, immediately I make a decision, very fast decision. You can see what I do. So remember, what you need to do, let's see, what I need to do is this, okay? Please do me a favor. Everyone go to weekly chart. Take any chart you want, go to weekly chart. Let's everyone go to Euro USD. Everybody go to Euro USD. Very, very important that you set up this, okay? Exactly what I do. Zoom it 2 times. Go to weekly chart, zoom it 2 times. Everyone, go to Euro USD, zoom it 2 times on a weekly chart. So Euro is still got a little bit more upward movement. Still got a long way to go. So Russia, then I'll do it. So not now. Still too early. Okay. Once you zoom it 2 times, I want you to go. Is everyone is same as me? Is everybody same as me? Please answer so I know you're live and kicking. All right. Okay, good. Now I want you to right click and I want you to save the template. Okay, do a right click and save template, everyone. Because this will be easy for you next time. You don't need to even do 7 steps, which you're going to teach you this Friday or this Sunday for the trainer's course. Okay. Save template, and then I wanted to do WBB. That means weekly Bollinger Band. Save under WBB, and then save. Okay. So if I go to a dollar yen chart, I just go down here and look for WBB. There you go. And automatically I have a weekly, what you call a chart. Okay. And then you can create, you can go down to daily chart. I can go down to daily chart. All right. And then you can put the daily chart and you can save this on daily chart. So you can save template. Okay, save template. All right, and you can put there DBB, that means daily chart, daily Bollinger Band, And if I want daily Bollinger Band, I just need to go here and I get daily Bollinger Band. There you go. Okay, that's how you can do. So that way you can save all the chart weekly, daily, monthly. So no need to go and do. So when you see an opportunity, you can engage the market immediately. Okay, this will be good enough for you to get all the charting done up. So then you'll be ready to go soon. All right, so we got two trade ideas, which is good enough for tonight. And the next session I will tell you what you're going to do. I've decided to teach week after week something new. So what I'm going to do, I will bring you through a series of schedule, which I'm going to put it up into the Ashok TA. Look up for a program, and there'll be a series of program lined up for you, whether it's pivot point, Bollinger Band. So we've got to go in depth into understanding those technical analyses, or in depth into the technical data and all that, so that when you use Bollinger Band or use RSI or ATR or pivot or stochastic or MACD, you know what are you doing, and that will guide you and help you as you progress with us as the trader in the market. Okay. Tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock sharp in Ashok TA office in Ortigas, I'll be there from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Okay. So if you think you have the ability to be a full-time trader, and if you think that you want to be a full-time trader, please come down to the office at 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, apply leave or whatever you're going to do. I'm only going to take 8 guys or 8 girls, whatever it is, and I'm going to train you guys and I'll teach you how to be a full-time trader from tomorrow morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Very, very special class for only people who are interested to come in. Okay, and then I'll tell you because now we got lots of funds and we need people to help me to trade those funds. Okay, Ken, that's all for tonight. If you got any other questions, please ask me. I'll be more than glad to. So people are Rachel, Nathan, Irfan, and what do you call Irfan? I hope you're here. Let me see Irfan. It's not here. Okay, so if you're Irfan, you're here. You're more than glad to come and join us. So, and I will cover that part of it, and then we will start doing the full-time training. Tomorrow is a special training, 10 to 4 o'clock. I'll be there. Nathan, you're gonna be there for sure. 10 to 4 p.m. and then I'll establish all the things you need to do. Okay. Any last question for me before I see you again the next webinar? Next webinar we give you the content and I'll cover the content exactly what the content says. Okay. Anyone got any questions? Okay, no questions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Okay, is there a question here? Let me see. Okay, see you all next week. Bye bye for now.